What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Do you remember recently we made some cream of chicken noodle soup? And I said in there to Eric, I was like, I don't have a 7-quart Staub. And he looked at me and I said, I'm going to have to get one, right? Guess what's in the house today? We got a 7-quart Staub, and this is a 4-quart. I wanted to show you these because I'm really excited about them. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So enameled cast iron cocottes or Dutch ovens is a core piece in my kitchen. I absolutely love it. I got a whole rack over here full of enameled cast iron. I have a green stove down over here. I've got another one behind me. I love them. I absolutely love them. And when you're talking about enameled cast iron, you're going to see a lot out there on the market, a lot of popularly priced ones and a lot of really expensive ones. These are at the top of the line. These are made in France. They are lifetime type pieces, and they're very much worth the effort. So a cocotte is like a Dutch oven, right? The big difference, and I'll show you, is they shape their lids on these cocottes with like a rim. So technically you could put ice in there and it increases the condensation inside the pot. They have bumps on the inside, so all that condensation rains down on your food and it comes out, let me tell you, absolutely fantastic. So these cocottes, Dutch ovens, they come in a wide variety of colors and a wide variety of sizes. Today,
all right, open one already.
Today we have a 4-quart here.
Open.
This is a classic black, but it is enameled. It's not raw cast iron. I can't help it, but I'm a little excited. So here is our beautiful box. Like I said, this is made in France. This one here is a matte black. So here are your little dots, and this helps all that condensation come back down onto your food. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So you will see this, and this looks like raw cast iron, but this is enameled cast iron. It's just a matte black color. And here you get your little book. And here is our cocotte, our Dutch oven. Wow, this is a beauty, right? This is a 4-quart. This is good for, a bean pot, a small soup, a couple pieces of chicken and some potatoes.
Here's some bread.
Bread, right? Oh, and then you have your classic, they have a French flag here on their little bow. Look at that. This is why I'm such a geek about Staub, right? Look at the inside. So a lot of people make comments about, some enamel cast iron pans have light colored interior and you can see the fond a little better. I guess that is true to some extent, but also this doesn't give you that discolored look over time. It will stay nice and beautiful and black like this, and it makes your pot stay new. Plus, a lot of people think that this, because it's dark,
it cooks a little better.
Yeah, it cooks like sears better just because of the dark. Wow. So like I said, while you're cooking, you can put ice on top of here to even more increase that condensation. That is what's great about the cocotte with this deep lid. And for the granddaddy, so I have like the 4-quart, I have a 5.5 tall, and I have a regular tall. So this is, I believe it's a 5.5 quart, number 26. And this, I believe, is the tall. So it's the 5, but it's taller and narrow. This one's a little wider. This is a 24. So I think it's just tall and a little bit wider. And this is how, this one's in white and this one is in basil, right? And so now we have a 7-quart. Ooh. Whoa, this one is a lot bigger. Whoa, and it's in white too. Ooh, look at that baby. Beautiful, right? Absolutely gorgeous. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Whoa. Yeah. This is already fun. Look at that. Whoa, look at this.
You can do some damage with that one.
Yeah, this is a big old soup pot. Woo.
Soup.
Big old bread.
Big old roast.
That's a 7-quart, baby. So here is our 7-quart. I love the beautiful white color. This is great because it, you know, this never goes out of style with the white. So, Whoa, so what do you think about these? What do you think about these beautiful cocottes?
I don't know. I think you're cooking me something. That's for sure.
Yeah. Here's the basil. If you want to look at the different colors, here's the matte black. Aren't these beautiful?
You can make a lot of stock in that dang thing.
Yeah. This thing is huge. I love it. So what do you guys think of this? We finally have a 7-quart stove in the house. And I'm so happy, right? If you have a stove, leave a comment. Let me know how you like it. What do you cook in it? How do you use it? And if you don't have one, get one, right? They are amazing. Happy Wednesday. Have a great day.